Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech for Grands and everyone else. Today we're demystifying Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the wireless technology that lets your devices connect to the internet without cables. It's essential for staying connected, but how does it actually work? Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit data. Your router acts as a hub, sending and receiving these waves. Wi-Fi operates on different frequencies, like 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, each with its own range and speed. When your device connects, it communicates with the router through these signals. Several factors can affect your Wi-Fi strength. Distance is a big one. The farther you are from the router, the weaker the signal. Walls, floors, and other obstacles can also block or weaken the waves. Interference from other electronic devices can also disrupt your connection. To improve your Wi-Fi, try placing your router in a central location. Minimize obstacles between your devices and the router. Consider changing your router's channel to avoid interference. You can also use Wi-Fi extenders or signal boosters to expand your network's range. In summary, Wi-Fi uses radio waves to connect your devices, but factors like distance and obstacles can affect signal strength. Try these troubleshooting tips to improve your connection. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Watch our other videos for more tech help.